Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will share with you a simple trading strategy applied on Canadian dollar yen analysis. This is a combination of multi-time frame analysis and also structure analysis. We are going to begin with the weekly chart that we actually have. We can see on the lower part of the chart, on this part here, we can see that the price reacted previously. After it came down, the price increased, and we can see that the price is coming back to this zone again. Considering that this is a weekly chart, it is normal that the price should react near this area. So this is what I'm gonna do here, and we have a very strong pressure from below, so this is a very strong support area. If we are going to extend this area, we can see that also on the past reacted very strong, so it proved that we have buyers that are positioned near this support zone, and approximately we know where the price can do this type of pullback. Considering that we have also a very long shadows from these candles here, this is proving that we have a very strong zone. So this is the first part that I'm looking at for this analysis. On the other hand, on the weekly chart, we can see also that the stochastic already reached the oversold conditions. It can take some time in order to change the direction. However, this is already in oversold zone. If we are going to break this down on a daily time frame, we can see that the price created a small double bottom before near the previous zone, and the price reaction was very aggressive. From these two moves that were not small, these were approximately 306 pip movements, we can take an idea related with the price reaction. If we are going to look at what happened on the left side of the structure, on the right side, sorry, we can see that the price, after tested this area, it was rejected in a perfect way and increased approximately 370 pips. This is what we are going to look at again, so it is likely that the price may react. It can create the same situation as it did before, also in this example here. On the other side, stochastic is also changing direction, so it can react close to the zone, considering that we can see that the selling pressure is slowing down so far. And if we are going to look back on the left side of the structure, we can distinguish the structure zone. So this is the first one that stopped the price to move down further. Look at how strong it was, this area. So this is a potential zone where we can look at for a possible target when the price will rise further. And another one that I'm going to look at, but we are going to adjust this, is close to the top of the structure. And we can observe that we have also a major support zone. Now this is turned into resistance, and it is likely that when the price will be close to this area, will face a very strong resistance again. We are going to break this down again on a 4-hour time frame in order to have a better idea. And what we can see so far is that if the price is going to rise from this point, the area that we have looks very interesting, and we can see also a small structure zone that is showing strength here. So the probability is high that after the price will bounce, it is likely that it can stop close to this area. Even if we are going to adjust this, it is not a problem, but close to 106.70, it is expected that the price may stop. This is a potential reversal zone that we are looking at for a lower time frame, and the major resistance will be found on the top. That is the second target. So this is the second target that we are looking at, 107.80 approximately. So overall, we have a combination of both the structure analysis and the breakdown of a multi-time frame analysis. So let's see how it will develop during these moments. This is the overall picture that we are looking at for Canadian dollar and yen. In order to keep this very simple and to monitor this easily, we can do also something else. I'm going to have both time frames in this way. And here we have also our targets that we used previously. This is the beginning of the zone, and the second one that we can look at is 107.80. In this way, the picture becomes more visible. We have the bigger picture where the price is already reacting so far on a daily chart. And on the other hand, we have also the weekly picture that the price is also rising. On the 4-hour, we can see that the stochastic is already changing the price direction, and this is increasing the chances for the price to rise further. Any breakdown from the current zone should initiate any deeper bearish move, so this is the reason why it is a must the use of stop loss below these areas. So this is overall for CAD yen analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit like button and follow. Thank you. Bye bye.